What's going on, guys? Another morning day trading the small account, doing it all live this morning in the live stream. So I'm gonna do a recap on some of the trades, some of the plan, the setup, what all went down in this video. So if you haven't, make sure you tune in tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. doing it all live on the YouTube channel. Great group of people. There's like 300 people all that's talking about stocks. Check out some of the trades, some of the recap in this video. Initial plan was to really kill VIPS, and you can see I actually shorted it here pre-market. Didn't get much of a move, got like a 9-cent move. It wasn't a big deal. And I was thinking, you know, it had some nice support, has some support there, the $10 area. It looked really nice to actually squeeze higher. And I don't know why, but I was like, oh, I'm going to look for the squeeze higher. It would be nice to get above the pre-market high and then short it there. And, you know, kind of look for a double top, look for resistance. And I probably should have went long here at like $10. I don't know why I didn't, but ended up going from $10 up here to $10.90. Boom, just like literally in 5-10 minutes there. Squeezing higher, got a top there at $10.90. Didn't short it. A couple people actually shorted there at the $10.81 area. Nice short for those people. And you can see now it's down there to the $10.21. So nice move here on VIPS. I really kind of forced this trade. It was crashing down. I was actually trading another stock, BW. I'll talk about that in a minute. But ended up going short here twice on VIPS, looking for this move lower. It did move lower. I was up like $100 at one point. I didn't cover. Ended up getting squeezed on this candle. It jumped up here to 1050, got crashed down, and then I was like over it. Didn't pay attention to it. And then I saw one more opportunity here. You know, same thing, kind of crashing down, and I really screwed up. I shorted into the weakness once again. I got to stop doing that. I need to put something on the wall there, short into strength, not into weakness. Got a little bit of a squeeze, like a 5-cent squeeze. I was down like $100. I was like, you kidding me right now? And I thought about covering, but I was like, I'm going to give some time. It's got some nice resistance at the 1040 area. And you can see here, it pulled back down there to 1026, ended up covering there at 1029. So not a huge move. I think I ended up making like $70 on that trade. It actually did pop up a little bit afterwards, 1032. And then now it's down here to 1021. Some opportunity to cover there at the 1023 area. So looking here at BW, I traded this one live this morning. Shorted it a couple times. Well, shorted it one time. Shorted it here at the 241 area. It pulled down here, all the way down here to 235. And then from there, ended up covering way too early. I'm going to short it one more time here. See if we get another drop down below this 225 area. Who knows? Expecting this 225 area to be like a mental resistance there. Mental support. There we go. Down at 224 now through 225. This is a slow mover. It might just go slowly lower all day long. Looking for that move down in the $2 area, be sweet. So I'm gonna let this one just ride, let it go for a while. Getting through that 225 area strong there, down to 222 now. Had a little dip all the way down there to 221. So give this one some time. Might just keep going lower and lower as the day goes on here. So that's the plan for now. Kind of keep my stop there at the 227 area, really. 1 cent stop. And on that note, you can see kind of why I'm shorting this one, why I'm kind of set up. You can see the last couple of days, it's kind of just done the same thing, just went lower and lower and lower. So kind of expecting that same move. It gapped down here, right it open, really crashing from that 250 area. Quickly, really hard crash down here to that 235 area. And then kind of getting some support, crashing again, kind of just stair-stepping down. So we'll keep an eye on this one. BW, maybe this one goes lower and lower as the day goes on, but like I said, kind of that's the plan right now. I'm not going to sit here all day long and record this live, but give you guys an idea of what my kind of plan is here watching this stock and kind of look for that move. If anything, I'm happy with breaking even right now. The market's very choppy. The SPY was crashing and then all of a sudden went back higher, and just a lot of these stocks are just kind of up and down. It's not like a clear trend. I mean, BW is the only clear trend of the day. This thing's going lower and lower, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of a weird, just kind of a hard time right now in the market. Gonna play it safe, gonna play it smart, not gonna force these trades. Looking to see if we can't get BW to crash through this 222 area. And on that note, I think I'm gonna be done with this recap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just recapping the morning. If you didn't watch the live feed, it was live at 9 a.m. Gonna be live tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So if you have time, check it out. It's pretty fun. A bunch of people, like 300 people all talking about stocks and bouncing ideas around and looking for stocks, all that fun stuff, looking for what stocks gonna be hot that day. Some really good traders in there that are also making some money. So it's not just me. People also talking about some entries and exits. So come along, check it out in the morning. It'll be on the channel there at 9 a.m. if you haven't already. But that's kind of the recap on today. Trading BW here, getting in short for that first short here at 242, covering there way too early at the 235 area, and then shorting it one more time. I'm gonna see if we can just crash down to the $2 area by the end of the day. And if not, I'll just cover here for a small profit if it wants to bounce above 224 again. So on that note, I'm out of here. I will talk to you guys later. It's almost 11 o'clock. Time for lunch. And hopefully you guys made some money today. If you didn't, leave a comment below talking about what stocks you traded about. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, do all those fun things. Help me help you. And remember the #1 rule in the market: bears and bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered.